Hey, in case no one's told you lately, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for pushing through everything that you're going through. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for.
Congrats, Kuya! Pati tuloy ako naiyak na.
Prince Raiko from 6 Paradise.
Ngunit mamamatay kayo sa inyong mga kasalanan. Hindi kayo makapupunta sa paroroonan ko. Sinabi ng mga Hudyo, papapakamatay kaya siya, kaya Vanessa Hector Torazo, ang Diyos. Yung class niya ng grade 6 calendar. Ayun. Mary Jane M. Sioman. The chapter of your life. Why? Because this moment is a time when you can really move to a higher level of education. Senior high, junior high, senior high, and then college. No? And then some of you may, after have graduated, after graduation of college, will still pursue postgraduate studies for masteral and doctoral or whatever. No? So yan ang mangyayari sa atin. Kaya this is a very important chapter. Why? Because this stage really prepared you for greater challenges. Alam niyo po, simple lang ang pag-aaral natin. No? Simple lang. Sabi nga ng mga nagtuturo, 3 R lang ang kailangan natin. Ano yung 3 R na yun? Alam niyo ba yun? Yes or no? You just have to say yes or no. Do you know the 3 R's of education, basic education? Do you know? You are already doing it. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo. Reading. That's the first R. Reading. And the 2 others sounds like reading. The next one is sounds like writing. Right? Oh, marunong kayo magbasa. Marunong kayo magsulat. And the next one is more analytic. No? Analytic. Ano yun? Arithmetic. Yun. No? So those are the 3 basic things that we should do and learn in order for us to move up to junior high school, senior high school, college, and more and beyond. No?
Kakayahan at pananampalatayang Kristiyano.
Aming hinihiling sa pamamagitan ng Kristo na aming Panginoon. Amen.
Gabay at higit sa mga bata na magsisipagtapos sa elementarya. Naway pasmasan mo sila sa pagtanggap nila ng mga simbolong ito ng kanilang tagumpay. At nawa ito ay magpaalaala sa kanila
sa pamumuna ni Ginoong Alex R. Granadil.
Guevara, Riley S. May mataas na karangalan. Herrera, Darrell James M. May karangalan. Lumabi, Ethan K.P. May karangalan. Ornopia, Ryan Jr. May karangalan. Salazar, Keith Serge T. May karangalan. Sanchez Ricardo Duterte, may karangalan.
Cruz Damian Rosemary Y. Gogo Shaina C.
Tolentino Torres, Prince Raigo C. Pulong Loizaan M.
Natin ang ating mga bandera. Harapin natin ang ating mga pangarap at ipakita natin sa mundo kung sino tayo. Paalam mo, mag-ingat sa biyahe at siguraduhin gawin upang makabuluhan ang bawat bagong kabanata ng inyong kwento. Hanggang sa muli!
Maraming salamat, Riley.
tayo.
Bakit? Tears of joy? Okay.
Congrats, kuya! Pati tuloy ako naiyak na.
Love you. Good job.
Congratulations!
May paang pao si Lola, oh.
Abo.
Sabi mo, Lolo, nasa yung regalo ko. Dali, may sobrang kamang bakante kay Lola. Ito ko, picture kami. Lika, dali, picture.
Tumambay sila doon sa may kumakain.
Laki! Dito! Ay ko!
Anong gusto yung chicken?
May, ilan ang laman yan?
Meron, oh.
Anong sa inyo dad? Ribs? Ha? Ribs. Pero
Hey, in case no one's told you lately, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for pushing through everything that you're going through. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for, and you are capable.